A strong snowstorm hit the U.S. state of Colorado yesterday, leaving more than 210,000 households without electricity. The worst is in the capital of Denver, where the subway is also damaged. The snow loaded the trees and broke the branches that broke the power lines. It is most difficult in the mountainous areas where about 51 centimeters of snow has fallen. As of last night, electricity had been returned to 160,000 consumers, but about 50,000 had not yet received it back, according to a statement from Xcel Energy Colorado. Colorado has thus gone through a winter transformation, since the last time such low temperatures and snow were recorded in May was in the 80s and 90s of the last century. Winter weather began in the town of Mile High City on Thursday night when the temperature dropped from 29 degrees Celsius to only 15 in just 1 hour.